founder and CEO of TreasuryONE. TreasuryONE is built on the principles of unlocking value for our clients. Our DNA is built around services, technology, and people. We want to make sure we give our clients great service. With that, we use the best technology in the market. And last and most importantly, we employ great people. Everything that we do on a day-to-day basis and all the processes that we get involved, the whole DNA of the team is, how can I unlock value for the corporate? How can we optimize the interest? How can we make sure we get better cash visibility? How can we hedge better? How can we get better FX rates for the client today, tomorrow, next week? How can we position a client according to a strategic strategy that we think where the rand is going to go, what's going to happen to commodity prices, what's going to happen to interest rates? That's all the aspects of unlocking value. We also have a great treasury management system business where the whole focus on the treasury management system is implementing recognized international best practice treasury management systems for the corporates into the corporate environment and then enabling the corporate to have better processes, have better decision making of their treasury operations on a day-to-day basis. And it's really the emphasis of allowing the corporate to think more strategically about treasury versus less punching numbers on Excel spreadsheets and so forth. Also very importantly is our supply chain finance business. In that supply chain finance business, we unlock value for your suppliers to be able to borrow against their invoices to our corporates. Lastly, and very importantly, is our banking hub technology, where we enhance the payment experience for a corporate, where we help you pay more efficiently, quicker, less risky, much more security. Processes are better defined. Interaction with the bank is a better experience. Host-to-host connections to our bank with all your banks, all your accounts. From a visibility point of view, cash management is optimized and payment ultimately leads to better payments. And that's what the really TreasuryONE philosophy is all about. You can see all those aspects. We're trying to look where can we find value? How can we enhance your processes? How can we reduce risk? And how can we unlock value in we call it your financial supply chain of the treasury